Everyone is talking about AI in supply chain right now. Better forecasts, automated planning, smarter decision-making. But here's the reality. AI is not going to fix your supply chain, and in many cases, it actually makes things worse. Because AI doesn't fix broken processes, it scales them. At a high level, AI is designed to improve decision-making. In supply chain, that usually means better demand forecasting, pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and planning recommendations. AI can process large amounts of data much faster than humans. It can identify trends and signals that are hard to see manually. That's where the value is. AI works best in areas where there is a lot of data, patterns exist, and decisions are repeatable. A good example is demand forecasting. AI can analyze historical demand, seasonality, and trends to improve forecast quality. It's a powerful tool for exception detection. AI can identify when something in the system doesn't look right before it becomes a bigger issue. In those areas, AI can be very powerful. But here's where things break down. AI depends on the quality of the data and the process behind it. If your data is inaccurate, AI fails. If your planning parameters are wrong or your process is inconsistent, AI will not fix those issues. It will amplify them. I've seen companies invest heavily in AI tools while still struggling with basic planning discipline, and the result? More complexity, not better outcomes. The real issue is that companies often try to use AI to solve the wrong problem. They focus on tools and technology instead of process. AI is not a substitute for strong planning, it's an enhancement, and if the foundation isn't there, it doesn't work. Here's what I typically see. A company implements an AI tool, but the forecast is not being used correctly. Planning parameters are not aligned. Execution is inconsistent, and leadership is still making decisions outside the system. So even though the tool works, the operation doesn't improve. If you want AI to actually add value in your supply chain, there are 3 things that need to happen. First, fix your planning process. Make sure your data, parameters, and workflows are stable. Second, define how decisions will be made. Someone needs to own the decision. AI can provide insights, but someone still needs to own the decision. Third, use AI to enhance specific areas. Don't try to automate everything. Start with forecasting, exception detection, and decision support. When used this way, AI becomes a powerful tool. AI is not going to fix your supply chain, but it can make a strong system even better. The key is not the technology, it's the process behind it. I'm Michelle from Streamline Consulting Group, your SIOP and supply chain strategist. Let's fix the flow and grow your business. Subscribe, like, and share for more streamlined insights.